Hello everyone, welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Indian Heritage Art series, we will experience unique art form that features exquisite designs and intricate picture motifs. It's Sanji folk art from Mathura, Vrindavan, Uttar Pradesh. So to see this beautiful painting and to know the stories about it, you must watch our video till the end. It's Sanji folk art. Friends, the boundaries of Indian art, so large and rich that it takes several days and nights to discuss it. Its beauty and underlying meaning fascinating people since over centuries now. And there are so many types of folk art in India that we don't even know many names of them also. Imagination Gallery is always trying to show you the lost or little known arts of India always. And today we bring you one such type of folk art, Sanji folk art from Uttar Pradesh. Let us start the endeavor now. Friends, like other folk art, this folk art is also exploring the love of nature in India. Here Radharani is picking flowers in the garden and all the trees seem to be getting greener with her touch. On the other hand, we see a cow mother giving nectar to her child. The birds are enjoying this sequence also. You will see, most of the Sanji arts done in black on white background. But here we have given our special touch with inverting the scenario, that's white on black background. Also we have tried to show you two ways, like with pen, one is with gel pen and another one with brush and acrylic white color. And whichever you are comfortable with, you can choose and do it. I mean, if you're comfortable with pen, you can do it. If you are comfortable with fine tipped brush, you can do it that way. And also that original Sanji folk art is a stencil work or a paper cutting work. But here we have tried to do it through colors. Sanji folk art, is the ancient art of paper stenciling practiced across Mathura and Vrindavan. It was traditionally used to make ritualistic and ceremonial rangolis in temples dedicated to Lord Krishna. The term Sanji is derived from Sanj or dusk. The rangolis were made using colored pigments, flowers or stones. Sanji art form from Mathura is truly unique craft form that features exquisite designs and intricate picture motifs cut into papers. Craftsmen use specially designed scissors to accomplish this process. Friends, as said that Sanji folk art is the traditional art of stenciling from Mathura, that is Krishna's hometown also. Known for its inherent spiritual implications that reach beyond immediate aesthetic appeal. It is considered to be one of the finest arts of spiritual expressions. The art grew in the 16th and 17th centuries when the walls and floors of temples were decorated with Sanji motifs. The term Sanji is derived from the Hindi word Sandhya, the period of dusk with which the art form is typically associated. The art depicts Indian mythological stories in numerous forms, with predominant focus on Krishna's Leela. Folklore folklore tells us that the origins of this folk art form lie with Radha, who made Sanji rangolis using natural colors along with the flowers, leaves and colored stones to woo Krishna. The other gopis soon followed suit, also making intricate designs to impress Krishna. Sanji has been popular ever since, and during the Mughal period, contemporary themes were introduced for greater perspective. Today, Sanji art is found in many homes and spaces. It has been displayed in Delhi metro stations as well and was recently used for pictograms during the Commonwealth Games. To create Sanji design, stencils are made on paper, mostly handmade papers, using specially designed scissors. These stencils are placed on a flat surface or water where the rangolis has to be drawn. Dry colors are then shifted onto the surface. Filling the colors and lifting the stencils are as critical as cutting the designs. Peacocks, bullock carts, horses, cows, butterflies and trees are some of the common motifs that are used. The intricate craftsmanship reflects the artist's devotion and the intimate love for the blue god. To produce an elaborate Sanji design would take anywhere between an hour or a month. Friends, there was a time in Vrindavan, when all the temples were used to make this art form during the Ashwin month. But now we have only 3 temples in Vrindavan which are following this over 500-year-old tradition. They are Radharaman Temple, Bhattaji Temple and Shahjahanpur Temple. Sanji, is a word also derived from words like Sajja, Shringar and Sajawat, which all means decoration. These paintings are made at a particular time in the year for a pleasure of Krishna's eyes. Mythology has it that Radha used Sanji art on her walls to attract her beloved Krishnaji. The art is now a rage among modern Indian women who think these traditional stencil works make smart bindis. Each Sanji art piece, friends, is visually impressive owing to the artist's perfection of portrayal through the beauty of the shape, a well-matched combination of colors and the intricacy of ornamental patterns. Today, the art of Sanji has become rare a bit and is practiced by very few people in very few temples only. The intricacy and vividness of this art says that this is not only an folk art but a glory of India. And as an Indian, we should preserve these traditional folk arts alive by keeping practicing it or at least giving it a chance to spread among the people so that they can know about it. These are our borrowings. And Imagination Gallery always try to do this. Are you with us in this endeavor? Let this be one family. Let's color and paint the life with Imagination Gallery. enjoyed and liked today's experience of this beautiful Sanji folk art? Convey your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session and do not hesitate to write here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here is wishing you an amazing week ahead. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye for now.